I am Toasted, and you're watching Serj.
Okay, well, this is your first solo tour.
Yes.
So, were you nervous getting to be playing your first solo show?
No, it's actually very comfortable. You know, the first show that I played with as a solo artist was in, God, where was it? It was in the U.S. It was in the U.S. and it was somewhere on the East Coast. And I felt so comfortable getting on stage. I remember the feeling of just walking on and going, this ain't nothing, you know? I mean, even the arenas that we're playing as I'm playing with Foo Fighters and stuff, solo artists, I've played so many of them that it's just like second nature. It's like, all right, it's time. Let's go rock it.
Of course, you got a great band with you right now.
Yeah, the Flying Cunts of Chaos. The Flying Cunts of Chaos. And of course, you guys don't have to cut it like most other countries, which is amazing. Free press. Wow, what a concept. Yeah, they're a bunch of great bands, you know. I mean, a bunch of great guys, amazing players, and really beautiful people, modest people that I enjoy on tour, and very supportive, very, you know, really cool bunch of guys. I mean, we're all just friends, and it's just very organic to go on tour with each other, you know.
Was it easy to form that band?
Easier than I thought it would be. You know, it wasn't easy, but, you know, we did auditions and stuff. But mostly we brought people that were friends and references of friends, which means friends of friends. That way it's not someone you just don't know coming in from the blue, you know? It's people that you know and people that you respect and people that they know and respect. So it's a tighter group of friends and family, that kind of vibe.
And now you also brought your own pre-show band with you from your own label.
Yes. To Midland is one of the most amazing progressive rock bands that I've ever heard in my life. And, you know, I signed them last year to Surgical Strike Records, and we put their record out this year. And we're on their second single, Tall Tales, and they are one of the most undeniably powerful bands live that you'll ever see. As far as if you like rock music and you like live shows, you have to see their show, because it's one of the most powerful ones that you'll ever see these days from new bands. Yeah, our live show is great as well, and we have our own humorous things that we do, things that we enjoy live, and yeah, it's a very powerful show. The guys play really well, and you know, I get to get up there and play my songs, and couple of covers here and there, and have a good time, you know. Yeah.
I've done a lot of interviews with a lot of artists, and all of them are very critical of Bush and of the administration, but they're just writing songs about it. They're not doing anything. But you have your own acts of justice. So that's, I think you really have listened to that idea that you have to do something yourself.
Yeah, I mean, you know, music is an amazing vehicle that connects us and inspires us, and in my belief, it comes from the universe. It doesn't come from the individual. It comes from collective consciousness, and if collective consciousness is a vehicle toward the truth, then poetry and music have to be reflective of that for it to be inspiring of our times and reflective of our times. And to me, that's what poetry and music are. I'm not saying that music or poetry have to be necessarily socially or politically viable. They could be love songs. It doesn't matter. They just have to be truthful, you know, and collectively truthful.
But do you think you have to do something outside of music if you really want to do something?
That's up to the individual, obviously, you know. Some people are more activist-oriented, like myself or Tom Morello or Saul Williams, or, you know, there's a group of friends that I have, Zach De La Roca, and, you know, there's a group of friends that I have within the music community that are very, not just, they speak and they do and they participate and they put their money where their mouth is, and I respect that, but I also respect other musicians that follow their own vision, that are amazing songwriters or amazing, you know, positive people that create positive change are all one. It doesn't matter whether they're political or not, is what I'm trying to say.